Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? In this video, I'm cooking what was supposed to be breakfast and supper, but I ended up not eating the muffins until after supper, so I guess it was supper and dessert. Anyway, I'm just using a box of Betty Crocker cinnamon streusel muffin mix and mixing this up, and I'm going to use my fall leaf and pumpkin molds to make these in. I thought that would be cool because with all my fall decorations, I've been in the mood for fall stuff, and this is a recipe or a mix that I usually make during the fall, so I was really craving these. When I use these types of molds, I put plenty of cooking spray in there so that it don't stick. And these didn't really stick, but I think I popped them out too soon, so most of my muffins tore. But it's okay because they still tasted the same. Okay, for the dinner part of this video, I'm just making some spaghetti and some smashed potatoes and some fried corn. So right here I'm washing my potatoes and I put them in some water to boil, usually for about 15 minutes on new potatoes, but these are a little bigger, so I think it took about 20 minutes on these. And I'm just adding some salt to the water. Okay, right here I'm starting to get my corn ready. It came pre-packaged and already cleaned, but I just went ahead and rinsed it off anyway, just to be safe, and then I'll be cutting it all off of the cob. After I finished with that, I just put almost a whole stick of butter in this pan to let it melt. Okay, right here I'm just adding the corn into my melted butter, and then I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper, some paprika, some parsley, and then just let it cook for a while. Okay, right here I'm just stirring the corn because after a little while the butter will start cooking out and then the corn will start sticking a little, so it's best to stir it every few minutes. And the way I do my potatoes, once they get fork tender but not too soft because you don't want them to fall apart, I just put them on a cookie sheet. It's best to spray the cookie sheet with cooking spray, and then I take a cup and mash them down flat. And after that, you can put whatever toppings you want on there. I think I added pepper, parsley, dried green onions, and some paprika. And then I probably added some garlic salt and some Parmesan. But you can do bacon, you can do ham, any kind of cheese. You can add sour cream after it's done. This recipe is totally adjustable to your taste. Okay, another thing is it's best to put half cooking oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you want, and then butter. Use both because the butter gives it extra flavor and the oil keeps the butter from burning. And then you pop it in the oven at about 400 degrees for anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how crispy you want them to turn out. Okay, y'all, I finally found one of these ground beef crumblers from Dollar Tree. I've been looking all year and I loved this thing. This is the first time I've used it and it made my ground beef turn out really small and crumbly, and that's how I like it. Okay, now I'm getting ready to cook the spaghetti. It's nothing fancy, just some Walmart brand spaghetti noodles. I got the thin noodles because that's what I like, and some Walmart brand pasta sauce. Now, I can cook spaghetti more homemade, but I was just trying to save money, so that's why I did it this way. I guess you can see Candice and her family stopped by this day, and everybody was coming in the kitchen and taking turns chatting with me while I was cooking. And this is about it. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Y'all have a good day. Bye.